All right, let's be real. Every video about how to grow on social media has been about strategy, strategy, and strategy. It's always about how to find your niche or how to be consistent, but what about how your content should look? So, I'm going to give you 5 easy ways to make your content pop off on social media. Okay, first off, we have trends. Love them or hate them, trends will make your content more relevant, relatable, and stay fresh in the social media world. So, here's my advice. Go ahead and do your research. Go to your favorite social media platform where you thrive off of and see what is catching fire there. Whether it's 3D art, AI designs, or even a trending dance, try to take that content and turn it into your niche. Fonts have major personality. A font can instantly make your post stand out on social media. You can easily find and edit with these fonts on Picsart's app and web platforms. All you need to do is go to the text tool and then fonts and choose your favorite one. Okay, we're at my favorite hack, which is adding effects and overlays to your photo. Your Instagram feed can look so cohesive and turn your photos from meh to an Instagrammable post in seconds if you just keep on adding the same filter or a vibe. It can be noise, it can be a vintage effect, or it can even be like a simple filter that changes the color of your photo to make it look so aesthetic on the gram. Okay, we're at hack number 4. I'm going to talk about the remove tool because we absolutely are obsessed with the remove tool because it takes out any unwanted objects, people, or anything from your photos just with one tap. This is a game changer because if you're not happy with your photo, you can always remove the things that are bothering you and then upload it. It will look so good. And last but definitely not least, I wanted to talk about video effects. I think everybody's doing an amazing job being a content creator online, but something that will make you stand out from everybody else is having like a unique filter to add to your videos. And I absolutely love our video filters. If you go onto Picsart app and go to video editor and go to effects, you'll find a lot of fun options to test out from, and that will make you stand out from the crowd. And there you have it, you guys. 5 ways to make your content post ready and not overcomplicating posting a piece of content online. Make sure to tag us when you use Picsart in your content, and please subscribe to our channel for more awesome hacks and tutorials. You know the drill. Bye!